Rick and Jill here with Professor Victor Gonzalez from the University of Kansas. He'll tell us about his fascinating research into climate change and temperature effects on bees as well as other vital pollinators. These experiments were made possible by the use of the iotherm device cooled by Aspen Systems.
All right, Victor, thank you so much for joining us today. So to start off, could you tell us just a little bit about you and your research?
Yeah, thank you for this opportunity. And basically, what I have been doing in my research is to try to understand how bees and other pollinators, flies and beetles and butterflies are actually responding to changes in temperature. And so I had right now, because of climate change, which involves basically different changes in different aspects of the climate. One of them is temperature. Insects are the most vulnerable organisms on Earth. So understanding these responses are very important because insects in general are a key component in our biodiversity, in our world. People have said that we live in a world dominated by insects. Pretty much everything is this insect related, including pollination, which is my focus. So understanding insects' responses to temperature and humidity, for instance, are very key scientific and societal concerns right now. So I've been basically looking at this group of insects that are involved in pollination.
So that impacts the world food crops. Is that right?
Exactly. Well, everything, and even now that we live in an interconnected world, anything that happens in South America and the tropics is going to affect us, in one way or another, either in the supply of the crops and the fruits or vegetables, or in the prices.
Do you do any lab work, or is it mostly field work that you do?
So this is a good question because all the work that I have done is in the field, in Colombia and Panama. For me, it has been great to bring the equipment into the field. Sometimes when I find a place to plug it into the electricity, I use it also, or I have used a power generator, to run the machine, run the experiments in the field. So being able to do this, to bring these systems into the field is a plus,
Gotcha. That's where the iotherm and Aspen Systems comes in, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Before the Aspen system, were you running into any difficulties in the field or like thermal challenges while trying to collect data?
Yes. Yeah, the temperature was like being able to lower the temperature to a point that the insects were losing motor control. Sometimes I wouldn't reach to that point, because I didn't have the system to do it.
So what would you do in that case? Would you bring them back to the lab?
No, I wasn't able to do the experiment basically.
Oh.
But with the Aspen system, like I said, I don't have any limitations with that.
Mm-hmm.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you say the Aspen Cool device has impacted the quality of your data?
10, that's without a doubt, I would say that 10. This has been an amazing system. I have been gathering information that nobody had before, and that's something that will impact our understanding of those insect responses, and particularly bees, to climate change. All right, well, thank you so much again, and I'll be, that has been a great opportunity to share something that I have been doing, and yeah, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Victor.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit like and follow below for more future episodes of Chill with Rick and Jill. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.